Hi, I'm Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 29th question from Digital SAT Test 1 Math, and it reads, when given the given equation relates the numbers p and n is not equal to 0 and p is greater than 9, which equation correctly expresses n in terms of p? So what do I want to do here? I think the easiest thing when you have two variables in an equation, you can pick numbers. I'm going to make my n equal 14. Ordinarily, I'd pick like 1. But you're going to see that 14 works quite nicely here. In that case, what I wind up with is p equals 9 plus 14 over 14. And p equals 9 plus 14 over 14 we reduce to 1. So p equals 10. So p equals 10. I'm going to circle those two together. And now, when I go to my answer choices, in place of p, I put 10. And I'm going to eliminate anything that doesn't give me 14 for n. In answer choice A, it would be 14 equals 10 minus 9 over 14. Well, 10 minus 9 over 14 is going to give you 1 over 14. 1 over 14 does not equal 14. Let's test it out over here. N, which is 14. Does that equal P, which is 10 over 14 plus 9? Well, 10 over 14, that's going to be a little less than 1. That's going to give you 9 point something. That's not gonna be the correct answer either. This guy, n, in place of n I put 14 equals my p, which is 10 over 14 minus 9. Once again, this one's gonna wind up giving me a negative value. It's definitely not 14. Answer choice D, 14 equals 14 over 10 minus 9. And 10 minus 9 is 1, so we get 14 equals 14 over 1, which is true. So the correct answer is going to be D. Now, what if you were to do this like an algebra problem? So the first thing you would do here is you'd subtract 9 from both sides if we're getting n alone. In that case, I'd have p minus 9. I'm doing this right here. P minus 9 equals 14 over n. And now what do? You could multiply both sides by n. Multiply this side by n, and multiply this side by n. And now I've got n times p minus 9 equals 14. Close the parenthesis over there because these n's cancel. Keeping in mind that I'm getting my n alone, I don't want to distribute here. I divide by p minus 9. Divide p minus 9. And these cancel, and I get n equals 14 over p minus 9, which once again is answer choice D. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who doesn't know. If you have got two variables in an equation, you can pick for one and solve for the other. Is there any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.